In the first two slides, we understood the concept of movement of force, its related terms and its application in day-to-day life. In this third and last slide, we are going to understand how to do numericals of movement of force. Physics में students को numerical में बहुत सारी problems आती हैं. There are two reasons for it. First of all, they never learn the formulas, and secondly, they ignore the compatibility of units. We have three system of units in physics. First is SI system, second is M.K.S system, third is C.G.S system. Now M.K.S system is compatible with SI system, but C.G.S system is not compatible with M.K.S और SI system. और इसीलिए जब न्यूमेरिकल्स में हमको यूनिट C.G.S में गिवन होती है तो हमको पहले उनको कन्वर्ट करना है M.K.S में और तब हमको यूज़ करना है न्यूमेरिकल्स में. आइए देखते हैं हमारा पहला न्यूमेरिकल क्या है. इन आवर फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल वी हैव ए मैकेनिक हु कैन ओपन अ नट बाय अप्लाइंग ए फोर्स ऑफ 150 न्यूटन यूजिंग अ लीवर whose handle is of length 40 centimeter. So this is the axis and this is the nut. Now if he wants to open the nut with the force of 50 Newton, he wants to know what will be the length of this lever. So first of all, let's find out the turning effect of force using the force 150 Newton. So here force is 150 Newton, perpendicular distance here will be 40 centimeter, which we are going to convert into meter, 0.4 meter, and therefore moment of force or turning effect of force or torque is 60 Newton meter. Now he wants to open this nut using the force 50 Newton. Turning effect is 60 Newton meter, and we have to find out the length of lever. Let's take it as x. So moment of force into perpendicular distance. Here the length of the lever will be this perpendicular distance. .2 meter or 120 centimeter will be the length of this lever when this mechanic wants to apply the force of 50 Newton. Let's see our next numerical. In our second numerical, we have an iron door of a building 3 meter broad. It can be opened by applying a force of 100 Newton normally at middle of the door. That means here in the middle at 1.5 meter from the hinges. We have to find out the torque needed when we are going to apply this force at the middle, and secondly the least force and its application to open the door. So first of all, let's write the given values. So therefore moment of force or torque is 150 Newton meter. So this is the turning effect of force to open the door. Now if we are going to apply the force at the maximum distance from the axis of rotation, there is from the hinges, यहाँ से ये हमें least force apply करना पड़ेगा, और that means the application is where, जहाँ पर हमारा maximum distance है, कहाँ से, hinges से. So moment of force हमारा ये है, force हमें निकालना है और हमारा डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया, 3 मीटर. So the least force is 50 Newton and it is going to be applied at the maximum distance, that is at the free end of this door. Let's see our next question. In the third numerical, we have a wheel of diameter 2 meter as shown in the diagram here. With axle at O, a force of 2 Newton is applied at B in clockwise direction. We have to find out the moment of force or torque about the center O and the point A. So let's see in the demo here. This is the circle AB is 2 meter, OB is the radius, so this is 1 meter. When we have to find out the moment of force about O, this will be the axis, and when we are going to apply the force at B, this will be the rotation. So the force is 2 Newton and the perpendicular distance is 1 meter. Let's see what is the moment of force. So moment of force about O is 2 Newton meter clockwise. It is very important that you should mention the direction in the answer. So the moment of force about the center O is 2 Newton meter clockwise. Now in the second part we have to find out the moment of force about the point A. Let's see in the demo. Now when we have to find out the moment of force about the point A, then this will become the axis, and when we are going to apply the force at B, this will be the turning effect. So force here is 2 Newton and the perpendicular distance will be 2 meter. Let's see what will be the moment of force. So moment of force about the point A is 4 Newton meter clockwise. This is our answer. Let's see our next numerical. In our fourth and last numerical, we have a figure given here. In this, there are two forces of 10 Newton that are acting at the point A and B at a separation of 50 centimeter in opposite directions. We have to find out the resultant of these two forces about the point A, B and O. This O is exactly at the middle of these two forces. I will find it out this for A point and O point. You can find it out for B by yourself and you can give your answer in the comment box. So let's first of all find it out for A point. Now when we have to find out the moment of force about A, यहाँ पर A हमारा एक्सिस है और इस A एक्सिस पे दो फोर्स काम कर रहे हैं, एक है F1 एक है F2. The perpendicular distance of this F1 force वो 0 है, therefore the turning effect or moment of force about A due to F1 ये 0 हो जाएगा क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस 0 है. नाउ मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स अबाउट A ड्यू टू F2. सो F2 का परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस कितना है, 50 सेंटीमीटर है. F2 का मैग्नीट्यूड कितना है, 10 न्यूटन है. सो फोर्स इज 10 न्यूटन. Distance is 50 centimeter. We will convert this into M.K.S. 0.5 meter. So this is coming 5 Newton meter clockwise. And therefore the resultant moment about A is 5 Newton meter clockwise. It is very important to specify the direction here. Now, third part, the resultant moment of the two forces about the point O. O is in the middle from these two forces. So, moment of force about O due to F1. So, magnitude is 10 Newton. The perpendicular distance is 25 centimeter, that means 0.25 meter. This gives 2.5 Newton meter clockwise. Now moment of force about O due to F2. So here also the magnitude is 10 Newton. And the perpendicular distance is 25 centimeter, which means 0.25 meter. This gives 2.5 Newton meter clockwise. So therefore the resultant moment about O is 2.5 plus 2.5, this means 5 Newton meter clockwise. So here we have completed all the types of numericals of moment of force. I hope you have understood this. If you have any query, write to me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.